Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English. Today, we will learn vegetables in English. Watch, listen, and repeat after me.
Learn, speak, practice. Talk Easy English. Daily English practice.
Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage has many green leaves. Very good. Carrot. Carrot. A carrot is long and orange. Good. Tomato. Tomato. A tomato is red and juicy. Nice. Potato. Potato. A potato is brown and round. Great job. Onion. Onion. An onion is white or purple and makes you cry. It's okay. It's normal. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like small green trees. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like small green trees. Eggplant. Eggplant. An eggplant is purple and shiny. Pepper. Pepper. A pepper can be red, green, or yellow and is crunchy. Nice. Corn. Corn. Corn grows on a cob and is yellow. Excellent. Cucumber. Cucumber. A cucumber is long, green, and cool in salads. Wonderful! Let's pause for a quick practice. Repeat the words with me, but just once each, and say them louder if you can. Ready? Carrot, tomato, potato, onion, cabbage, broccoli, pepper, eggplant, corn, cucumber. Nice work! Lovely. You're doing really well. Seriously, great job. Practice a little each day. If you want, listen to this episode again and try saying the words before I say them. Small steps, big progress. Oh, one thing. When you practice, try to smile while...
Great job! Repeat these words every day to improve your English. Follow Talk Easy English for daily English practice.